Hey guys, this is Rho Trades from Rho Trades, and today's video is going to be about the no trading day on September 1st, 2021. And this issue is due to the new margin rules by SEBI, right? So what's my point of view in this particular issue is I have these two views. I can split it into two. Like the one is using leverages. There's a lot of people who come into trading just because they have internet access and they have a trading account and a small capital of 10,000, 15,000. They think they can come into trading and then they can just try to gamble it to make like 10,000 a day, 5,000 a day, or like doubling in every single month. And that kind of mindset is going to be toxic for trading, right? So that's the main issue, I think, why SEBI had the thoughts to come into this kind of rules. So this is the first point of view, where for the gamblers who think this is going to make them rich, it's not going to do that, and they should realize it from their maturity, and it's completely their responsibility to trade with their money or financially use their money and take risk or something like that. The second view is people who know how to do this business. People come into trading as a business, as a passion into the stock market, and they want to know how the stock market things work. So for those people, it's going to be a big blow of not issuing some leverages, right? So I know people, I have my students myself who have a lot of knowledge in trading, and they have a perfect risk management, they have a very strong psychology towards trading, and now they with no margins, without any leverages, they are restricted from trading, and that's what hurts a lot of people. So for myself, even there, I have a particular risk management mindset where even if they're providing a lot of leverages for me, like 10x, 20x, I'm not going to be using it right now. But I was there in the point of time where leverages helped me a lot to recover a lot of losses. I'm not going to say no at all, because at one point of time, after a year and a half, after learning how to trade, so at that point, I had literally no money left. So at that point, so with like 50,000 rupees capital, I was able to double it in 3 months, only by using leverages. And that doubling of making 50,000 profit was probably my losses from the last 1 year. So it really helped me actually using leverages. But after reaching to a certain mark of trading with normal margins, I'm not going to do the leverage thing anymore, because it's more stressful to do leverages. I remember one point of time when I had 1 lakh rupees, I was allowed to trade with 10 lots of crude oil, the old trader me. So the 10 lot of crude oil, I just put in 10 lot of crude oil, and I was kicked out of the trade by the broker for the margin call. So I reached 70% of the capital loss with the 10 lots of crude oil. It's just 70 points of crude oil loss, and I was just kicked out of the trade. So this is the reason why SEBI is more into the margin rules. Unless we traders, we assure ourselves, first of all, we ourselves should assure that I'm not going to take this trade unless I have this much capital, or I'm going to exit it. I'm going to exit it as soon as possible when I see losses. So if you have this kind of mindset, you're obviously going to be in a very good side using leverages. But now after this amount of capitals that I have right now, I'm not going to be using leverages, because I have a particular mindset of how much to pay every single month, which is enough for 5% to 8% every single month, so of the capital that is deployed. So this itself is giving us a consistent profits towards the end of the year, and that's what we are just looking for as a consistent and profitable trader. So for those people who think that to make like 10,000 rupees, you need like 20,000 or 30,000 capital per month, I'm going to say this leverage thing is going to be much hectic for you, because when you go in with 30,000 of 10 lots of some futures, and if you see like 1.2 point losses, you will be like panicking out of your mind, and then you'll be getting out of the trade soon. And some people don't even mind to cut their losses, because they know there's something called margin call, and at that margin call time, they know that broker is square off the position. So if they lose also, they know, some people know that they are risking some money to make some gamble trades. So for example, with 10,000 rupees, they are trading 2 lots of some futures, and they know that they're going to be left over with almost 3,000 rupees in the capital, and the maximum they will lose is 7,000 rupees. But in the higher side, they can make 1 lakh also. That's the main idea what people have in their mind when it comes to trading with leverages. So for me, people who start up with, they need to start, right? So with starting, they are not confident enough to put in like 1 lakh, 2 lakh capital and trade. So people should not be restricted from coming into trading. They should be allowed to trade it. They should be allowed to experience anything that is in the world. They should be allowed first, and after that they should decide whether it suits them or not. Just because there's going to be a big mall coming in your city, that doesn't mean that you should vacate all the small shops around the mall, right? So they should be given the opportunity to do the business, whether profit or loss. They should be allowed to do the business with their small capital, reaching their small clients or customers or stuff like that. So everyone should be given equal opportunity, and it's depending on the individual to use it or not. So for my view is, I'm not going to be trading on September 1st. It's going to be no trading day, and I wish everyone also support this particular campaign. And if the margins are back, use it with good risk management, and use it with good maturity, and don't gamble a lot with it. So that's what I just want to share. So hope everyone supports this, and hope everyone has a good mindset to trade, even if the margins are there, or if with some conditions, if the SEBI is going to allow the margins again. So don't risk much of your capital and lose everything. Make a little, as like 5 to 10% per month, and that's enough for you. So have this mindset, and you will never lose the money. So that's it I want to say. So this is the thing, and always remember, the biggest investor, even our Warren Buffett and even big hedge fund managers, do only 20 to 25% per year. So think of making like 25,000 rupees for your 1 lakh capital is going to be a big return, I would say. Rather than losing everything in like couple of months, you can just make a little of 2 to 3% per month to get consistent in the market first, and then go for the big capitals and big profits margin. So this is what I want to say. So thanks for watching so far, and hopefully you will have a very good trading career starting from now. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and like this video and share this video as much as possible, because we don't have much time. We have to reach more people, and that's the reason I'm just doing this video right now. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.